Could I see the menu, please?
Could I see the menu, please?
Could I see the wine list, please?
Could I see the wine list, please?
Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
Would you like anything to drink?
Would you like anything to drink?
Do you have any specials?
Do you have any specials?
What's the soup of the day?
What's the soup of the day?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Do you have wine by the glass?
Do you have wine by the glass?
Do you have any desserts?
Do you have any desserts?
Could I see the dessert menu?
Could I see the dessert menu?
Would you like anything else?
Would you like anything else?
Nothing else, thank you.
Nothing else, thank you.
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
I will be right back with your order.
I will be right back with your order.
This food is cold.
This food is cold.
This is too salty.
This is too salty.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Did you enjoy your meal?
I really love this meal.
I really love this meal.
What a wonderful dinner.
What a wonderful dinner.
My salad has good seasoning.
My salad has good seasoning.
My dessert is too sweet for me.
My dessert is too sweet for me.
I need to make a dinner reservation.
I need to make a dinner reservation.
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Do you have any free tables?
Do you have any free tables?
Do you have a reservation?
Do you have a reservation?
For how many people?
For how many people?
How many are in your party?
How many are in your party?
We will have a table for you.
We will have a table for you.
Would you like an appetizer?
Would you like an appetizer?
What would you like to start with?
What would you like to start with?
Do you want a salad with it?
Do you want a salad with it?
How would you like your steak?
How would you like your steak?
Do you want vegetables with it?
Do you want vegetables with it?
Why don't you try the pizza?
Why don't you try the pizza?
Would you like any wine with that?
Would you like any wine with that?
Would you like any coffee?
Would you like any coffee?
Would you like to try our dessert special?
Would you like to try our dessert special?
We've been waiting for a long time.
We've been waiting for a long time.
I'm sorry, but can I change my order?
I'm sorry, but can I change my order?
Can I see the manager, please?
Can I see the manager, please?
Can I get this to go?
Can I get this to go?
Excuse me, can I have the check, please?
Excuse me, can I have the check, please?
How would you like to pay, cash or card?
How would you like to pay, cash or card?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Can I pay in cash?
Can I pay in cash?
Can we pay separately?
Can we pay separately?
Let's share the check.
Let's share the check.
Thank you. It was delicious.
Thank you. It was delicious.
I really enjoyed it.
I really enjoyed it.
My compliments to the chef.
My compliments to the chef.